Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let us start our new topic called ESG Organizational Excellence. It's a very important subject. ESG Organizational Excellence refers to the integration of sustainable practices, ethical governance, and corporate social responsibility into the core operations and culture of an organization. So achieving ESG organizational excellence involves demonstrating leadership and commitment across the three pillars: environmental excellence, social excellence, and governance related excellence. In the environmental excellence, we can say we take example of different materiality topics like carbon neutrality, resource efficiency, sustainable sourcing, diversity conservation, climate resilience. So let us some of the examples in environmental excellence. Let's say carbon neutrality. So we strive to achieve net zero carbon emissions by reducing emissions and offsetting unavoidable ones through carbon credits or renewable energy investments. Then we take example of, let's say, resource efficiency. In this we can say implementing those technologies and practices to reduce energy consumption, water uses, waste generation throughout the operations. Sustainable sourcing also can be one example, adopting sustainable procurement policies and prioritizing the suppliers, those who are committed to ethical practices, environmental stewardship, and social responsibility. The next comes social excellence. In this we take multiple examples of diversity and inclusion, employee well-being, community engagement, human rights, customer and stakeholder relations. So first discuss example of diversity and inclusion. We promote a diverse workforce and inclusive workplace culture that respects and values differences among employees. In the employee well-being, we discuss about prioritizing the health, safety, well-being of employees through comprehensive wellness programs, safe working conditions, and mental health supports also. In the community engagement section, we take example of engaging with local communities through philanthropic initiatives, voluntary programs, and partnerships that address community needs and enhance quality of life. Then next example we take of human rights. In this we can say upholding and promoting human rights across the organization and supply chain, ensuring fair treatment and respect for the labor rights. Then next comes governance excellence. We take example of certain governance related topics like ethical business practices, board diversity and independence, executive compensation and incentives, risk management, and compliance and regulatory adherence. So first one is ethical business practices. As an example, we say the organizations are adhering to high standards of integrity, transparency, and accountability in all business dealings, including zero tolerance for corruption and bribery. The next example can be board diversity and independence, for integrating it into the business functions, like ensuring board composition reflects diversity in gender, ethnicity, and expertise with independent directors, providing effective oversight and also effective governance. Okay. The next comes risk management, implementing robust risk management frameworks to identify, assess, and mitigate ESG related risks. Those could impact organizational performance and reputation. And the next example is compliance and regulatory adherence. We can say complying with relevant laws, regulations, and international standards related to ESG issues, demonstrating commitment to legal and ethical standards actually. So how to achieve this organizational excellence, ESG organizational excellence? So there are certain steps we see here. First one is integration and alignment. So integrate ESG considerations into strategic planning, decision making processes, and performance evaluations across all the levels of the organization. The next comes continuous improvement. In this we set ambitious yet achievable ESG goals, regularly monitor progress, and adapt strategies to address emerging challenges and opportunities. The next comes stakeholder engagement. So engage with stakeholders including investors, employees, customers, communities, and regulators, etc., to understand their expectations, gain insights, and build collaborative relationship with them actually. The next comes reporting and transparency. We need to publish comprehensive ESG reports using globally recognized framework, GRI or SASB, to disclose performance metrics, goals, achievements, and challenges transparently. The next comes leadership commitment. So demonstrate visible leadership commitment to ESG excellence through active participation and also through resource allocation, and accountability for achieving those ESG goals. So by striving for ESG organizational excellence, companies not only mitigate risk and also comply with regulations, but also we can say enhancing the reputation of the organization, attracting sustainable investments, foster the innovation, and contribute positively to society and the environment. So this holistic approach ensures that business drive in the long term while making a meaningful impact on global sustainability challenges actually. Thank you very much friends. Let us start our new topic.